I don't think Mark can climb up.
Did he get lost?
I don't know. Can you climb up?
I got him the first time he did, I think.
Oh, he went down already? Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up. Okay. Come on.
You should go down with him.
No, girl. I'm going to embarrass myself. Let him do the embarrassing. Ready? You're going to go down with Seth? Seth's 4th birthday.
No, I'll kill Seth.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
She's like,
Here, Seth. Lois, it's okay. Daddy's going down the slide. You want to go down the slide?
she's gonna relax.
Woo!
Now it's like a little pool.
Seth, come on.
Come here, buddy.
Come on, Seth.
She doesn't want anything to do.
No, don't do that.
Isn't it funny? He's so like, couldn't get enough of it, and she's like, ugh. Come on, Seth.
Seth. This way.
Elise, careful. Woo! Man, he's like different variations. This boy, I need to get him a scholarship, like a surfing scholarship or something.
That's pretty brave to do face first.
I tell you,
Wow.
he has no fear when it comes to water.
Yeah? What's the matter, huh?
I might just soak in there afterwards. Seth, one more time.
Yeah, look, here comes Seth.
Oh, Seth, whee! Come on, let's go. Come on,
Seth!
Seth.
Come on.
1. Woo! It's okay, silly girl.